Too many tools, slower approvals, back and forth, inconsistent brand, and constant pressure. That's how most of the marketing teams operate today, and digital agencies struggles to scale. I am KD, founder of Simplified, and today I'll show you the simpler way. Simplified, one platform where meant for modern marketing teams where you can plan campaigns, generate on-brand posts with AI, collaborate with approvals, schedule across all the channels, and prove impact with analytics. You will see the exact workflow we use with real data and live clicks. So let's go. When you sign up for Simplified, everything gets organized into a workspace. Let's start with a structure. Digital agencies manage multiple clients and brands split by products or region. In Simplified, each workspace is cleanly separated with its own brand book like brand studio, assets, people, projects, AI. So now I'll switch between my team spaces between Acme and Nova Media. People, people and processes. So what we are going to do here in Simplified, in each you can invite people into your main workspace or you can invite into client team spaces as well. Roles keep access tight without slowing anyone down. So in this process, I'm going to invite Jane on our team and set the permissions. You can invite them as admin, those who has access to manage posts, social channels, features, and user roles. Members can access social media features, calendar, analytics, inbox, or approval workflows. Or creators can edit the post, and approvers can create, edit, approver, or a schedule post. You will notice once you confirm and invite these permissions are set, update everywhere, the calendar, approvals, and analytics in one click. Next is channels and brand guidelines. I'll show you how you can connect your social media accounts. At Simplified, we connect with Instagram Business, Facebook, LinkedIn Profile Business, Blue Sky, Threads, TikTok, Google Profile, Pinterest, YouTube channels, as well as we send notifications to Instagram personal accounts as well to cover the breadth and depth of every use case you have. Once you connect your social media accounts, next thing that is equally important is Brandbook. Think Brandbook as your marketing brain. It doesn't just store logos or it encodes identity, target customers, products, and content pillars, so that way every assist, templates, and workflows stays on brand and on strategy. I'll walk you through how you can create Brandbook, aka marketing brain. You can enter the website or just copy paste a description. You can also upload PDFs and hit generate. It takes a couple of minutes, and once it is generated, AI will analyze, will first fetch all the identity from your website or the brand guides you have given, then set up the typography, assets. It will analyze your audiences, figure out what are the audience objectives, pain points, CTAs. It will also analyze unique selling points that your platform offers. It will analyze ICPs. For example, in Simplified, we'll sell it to social media, modern marketing teams seeking for efficiency, e-commerce brand marketers, boutique style digital and creative agencies, and small business owners. So now I know exactly, I'm feeding all this information to AI. Also, AI built some products for us. You can, at any point of time, if you think something is not correct, you can always open and change these things. Also, AI analyzed and suggested some of the key content strategy pillars that will shape my AI content. So that way, all hereafter from now on, every AI assist, every AI generated content template design will respect these by default. So output are consistent and on brand regardless of who on your team is creating content. After we have set up our brand book, here is the moment we go from a brand brief to publish ready content in just minutes. I'll click on create new. There are different types of content you can create, but let's jump into social media first. Now in social media, you can start with AI. You can generate multiple posts in one go, or you can choose to create by yourself. You can bulk import, or schedule post. In this context, I'm going to ask generate the content for my entire week. I'm just going to pick the brand we just created and select the channels. You can turn them on, pick the number of posts you want to create, start date for this generation. Present, ask you for what's the goal, brand awareness, engagement boost. You can pick one or many depending on your needs, and then AI will analyze your goal as well as past performing content. I will suggest some of the topics that are relevant to your audience. You can choose any one of them. Select the language. We support from English 24 different languages. I'll start with English here. I want tone to be joyful. Click continue. Now you can create post, that textual post, photo post, or videos post. For photos post, you can guide AI to pick stock images, or just create images using AI images. My favorite is AI templates. So you can click and pick your reference template. So there are different categories at the top. I'm going to just choose this template and hit generate. In this case, AI is analyzing your brand, then finding the right tone for your audience, crafting a scroll stopping hook, selecting the best hashtags to reach, and then it takes within like few minutes, it will create 7 to 10 posts that you can easily create. All right, now within few minutes, AI not only written a copy, but it generated designs for me as well. Now I can review all these posts and choose the ones that are relevant. I can choose all of them as well. Select the ones that are most relevant and just click schedule. They go automatically to my simplified social media calendar. The simplified social media calendar keeps your entire team aligned. Change them draft. You can share them with anyone for auditing as well as approval or scheduling. It's a governance without drag. Creators move fast. Approvers want to keep the quality. So all you need to do is, instead of going back and forth over emails and Slack, you can click on comments, tag the person on the team, and start collaborating immediately. It's a collaboration without overhead of switching the tabs and tools. You can switch over to the draft section and you will see the version history and a clear audit trail of who changed, what is awaiting approval, ready to publish, what is rejected. You can easily click on this, understand, make the changes, and again start request approval with confidence. Okay, let's meet Simplified's Post Composer, one powerful canvas for every social media channel. I have selected the social media channels where I want this post to go live, and immediately Simplified adopted cross-channel variants and they appear side by side. For example, so for Instagram requires photo or video. So I'm going to click here from generate an image, or I can choose it from my content library, and it will automatically attach this particular post. You can customize photo content, you can tag collaborators. If you are selling products on Instagram, you can tag products as well. This composer adopts tone and length per network, flags over limit text, and suggests hashtags and first comments options where it makes sense. Need platform specific visual? All you need to do is click on media library. You can choose things from your projects or pick anything from your assets. Or you can choose it from photos, videos, all these different types of content, which is already integrated into Simplified platform. You're already done with the hard part. You created the content, scheduled the content, and it is already published. Now it's time to track all the engagement across all different social media channels using Simplified's unified inbox. It's all DMs across all channels in one place. Simplified continuously keeps tracking streams across all different channels. Also, you can engage with your customers, clients, prospects directly using conversations. So when you click here, you will see what kind of content Simplified tracks. We track on Facebook comments, messages, mentions, Instagram comments, messages, mentions, even LinkedIn, TikTok, Even you can connect your WhatsApp numbers and start responding to them. When you click on any of these messages, you can start responding and start collaborating with your entire team. You can ask AI to analyze, summarize these conversations. So all your conversations are in one place. You can add notes, you can ask AI to analyze these conversations, and it is fully collaborative. You can assign these to other team members as well. This is your unified inbox in one place. Now let's turn your content into clarity. With simplified social media analytics, you can start tracking engagement, impressions, audience growth, publishing, as well as network specific analytics. You can switch between different networks. You can also view and generate reports in aggregation as well. So first, let's look into overviews. We track page reach, post impressions, post reach, organic as well as paid reach, and you can track all the stuff. You can click on demographics and find out where exactly your content is consumed. Similarly, you can track the post level analytics, so that way you understand what kind of posts are performing well. You can also click on it and backtrack every detail to the creation team. Now, most importantly, most of the agency owners and digital marketing teams have need to produce these reports for executive leadership meetings or the clients. So simplified reports makes this job simple. You can create these templates, or you can preview and customize some of the templates, where you can choose your own brand, customize and white label these reports, as well as add logos, titles, however you want. The most importantly, you can decide what level of details you want to surface based on the audience you are sending this report to. So once you apply these changes, it will create a report. You can download this as PDF or download it PNGs for your meetings. So this is simplified analytics for you.